Have you ever wondered why multimedia holds such a pivotal role in stage entertainment? Welcome to the exploration of the world where technology meets artistry, and together they create the magic we call stage entertainment. Let's dive into the world of multimedia instruments used in stage performances. First up, we have the classic lighting. This age-old medium has been illuminating performers since the days of Greek theater. Its advantages are its simplicity and directness. A well-placed spotlight can guide the audience's attention and set the mood of the scene. However, lighting has its limitations. It is static, and while it can create dramatic effects, it lacks the dynamism of more modern multimedia instruments. Enter video projections. This versatile tool can transport the audience from a quiet village to a bustling city in a blink of an eye. It can create backgrounds, animate characters, and even interact with live performers. Yet it's not without its drawbacks. High-quality projections require expensive equipment, skilled operators, and meticulous planning. Then, of course, there are sound systems. Sound is a powerful medium to evoke emotions and add depth to the performance. A good sound system can make a whisper heard at the back of the auditorium, or a roar shake the entire building. But sound systems can be tricky. They can malfunction, or worse, create feedback that disrupts the performance. Lastly, we have pyrotechnics, the wow factor. Fireworks, smoke, and other special effects can give a performance that larger-than-life feel. Pyrotechnics, however, require extreme caution. They can be dangerous if not handled correctly, and can be a distraction if overused. So, what have we discovered today? We've delved into the world of multimedia in stage entertainment, shedding light on the importance of various multimedia instruments. We've compared and contrasted lighting, video projections, sound systems, and pyrotechnics, each with its unique strengths and challenges. In conclusion, multimedia instruments are essential to stage entertainment, bringing performances to life in ways that captivate the audience. However, it's important to remember that these tools are just that, tools. The real magic lies in how these instruments are wielded by the artists and technicians behind the scenes, creating unforgettable experiences for the audience. Thank you for joining this journey into the world of stage entertainment. Until next time, keep the spotlight shining and the curtain rising.